How to disassemble a Dodge NP241DHD transfer case. Well, hello YouTubers. I made this video to give you a reference of how to disassemble a Dodge NP241DHD transfer case. You're going to run into this situation if you're planning to swap out an automatic 47RH and install a manual NV4500 transmission. The reason is that the input shaft in a heavy-duty NP241DHD transfer case for the automatic is different than the input shaft of the manual transmission in the same truck. Therefore, you'll have to change that input shaft in the transfer case. The input shaft I chose is from Torque King 4x4 and has the proper 29 tooth count. Upon further inspection, I tried to use the input shaft from the Dodge 2500 series truck that was mated to an NV4500. Unfortunately, the input shaft on the NP241DLD does not mesh with the planetary gears of the NP241DHD, even though they look exactly the same. I'm trying to save you the headache of trying what I just tried. That being said, that's why I broke down and bought the correct input shaft. This is merely a time-lapse video that shows how to break down the transfer case with no shop and on the ground. After I cleaned all the parts, I reassembled in the reverse order of this video with the new input shaft. Good luck out there.